Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS K3605Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your ASUS K3605Z won't charge at all, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a faulty battery, a damaged charging port, or even a malfunctioning power adapter. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, making it harder to revive your device in the future. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a replacement battery, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by gently using the plastic prying tool to open the back cover of your ASUS K3605Z. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically held in place with screws. Carefully unscrew the battery connections, taking note of their placement so you can reconnect them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the battery, gently lift it out of the compartment. Examine the charging port for any signs of damage or dirt. If the port looks fine, it may be time to replace the battery. Position the new battery in the same orientation as the old one and reconnect the wires securely. Ensure you're applying the right amount of force when tightening screws. Over-tightening can lead to further damage. Once everything is back in place, carefully snap the back cover back on, making sure all clips are secure. To verify that your ASUS K3605Z is functioning correctly, plug in the charger and see if the charging indicator lights up. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, always use a compatible charger and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Regularly check the charging port for debris and clean it gently with a soft brush. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.